Okay, so here we have these 6 rolls of this crushed velvet holiday ribbon. Well, ribbon for anything really, but it's really nice and soft, and you can see the crushed velvet texture to it. See if I can get that to focus there for you. And you can see we got the orange and the white, really, really pretty, and kind of an olive, kind of a olivey green color, and the red and the green, and then this is kind of a yellow gold color, whatever, and then the dark green and stuff. So anyway, really nice, and you can just use it for like your different little holiday decor, and it's getting to be the holiday season here. So, and they're on these really nice wooden spools here, so really nice. You can see like they're always probably like, what about a 3-inch spool or so there, but yeah, really nice. They sent these to us so we could show them to you, but yeah, it's going to be really nice for the holiday decorating, and even to like wrap up some of the gifts and stuff. This will be nice to put a nice little bow on top of the holiday gifts and stuff. So yeah, very, very nice. Thanks for sending that.